Ah, Beke, this one we dey enjoy like this. Maga don pay.
Maga don't pay. Maga don't pay.
How you don't call me sis? I want for you. So you want chop alone?
Been busy. Maga don't pay. Hey, have you met my new woman? My new girlfriend, Holly.
Yeah.
Isn't she sweet?
Yeah,
Isn't she the jewel? Isn't she the crown jewel? Yeah. Maga don't pay.
Okay.
Maga don't pay.
Okay, now you say before I go now, I go get joy.
Over 10,000 US. Yeah.
Okay, leave that one. Wait, friends,
yeah.
wait.
Have a drink, have a drink.
Drink something.
Yeah.
Toast.
Yeah. Maga don't pay.
Maga don't pay, nothing to it. Enjoy. No, you're welcome, man.
In a tabife. In a tabife.
Nothing to it. She's enjoying.
Yeah.
Oh, they came my man.
So what to do with you?
I did now. As you call me, tell me, say make I come house. I feel say maybe one just come carry me. I don't know say Maga don't pay. Congratulations again. Congratulations.
Business is good.
Yeah,
Business is good.
Yeah, correct, man.
Thanks for coming over.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming over.
Yeah, correct, man. I'm so happy.
Yeah. Isn't she sweet?
Yeah, she is.
Isn't she sweet?
She is very, very.
She's the crown jewel of Nigeria.
Yeah, enjoy yourself. What's it? Oh, okay. Don't worry.
Where will that come from?
Yeah. Congratulations, man. Nothing do you enjoy yourself. Oh.
Not to be fair. It's not to be fair.
You don't get this call. I did with you. Oh. Place where this money they come from, you still come. You don't get this call. Enjoy. I don't say if something better reach you, go reach me.
Have another drink. Ah, yes. You're not to be fair. You're not to be fair. To my good friend. Maga don't pay. Maga don't pay.
Maga don't pay. Collect again, collect. Guy, that's my man. Maga don't pay. Collect. Oh, that's why I'm my man. Woohoo! Hey, just to more baggers. Nothing do you.